Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paola, and in case that you're new here, I make videos that are beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell icon just so you're notified whenever I post new videos. And yeah, I know my hair is a mess. Y'all not gonna judge me, but I'm trying not to apply so much heat because my hair has been through some things. So I mean, I'm still gonna flat iron it. I ain't even gonna lie to kick it, but it's just air drying right now. And can we get a little round of applause for this hair growth, because my hair was thinning out so bad in the front, like so bad. I even went to the dermatologist and she was like, it's stress related, you just gotta chill out. And I've been trying to chill out and my hair's been growing back, and yeah, so that's why I'm trying to be a little nicer to my hair. So if you guys see this mess, which you probably won't, look at this red that still is clinging for dear life. Anywho, so yeah, for today's video, because I haven't even told you guys what we're doing today, for today's video I decided I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look. This is probably going to be like higher end, like Sephora-ish makeup for the most part, I think. And then I am going to do another one also that's going to be like all drugstore everything, so stick around for that, or at least all affordable everything, you know what I'm saying, like under a certain price point. So stick around for that. If it's not up already, because I'm not sure yet which one I'm going to put up first, it'll either be this one or the other one. Just check the description because I will link them within each other, if that makes sense. But again, if you just don't want to miss that, just go ahead and subscribe now and hit the notification button. Anyways, I hope you guys like it. I was going to do this a talk through. Somebody's dog is barking. One of the reasons why I'm not going to do it as a talk through, but I think I'm just going to do a voiceover because one, it'll be a lot shorter that way, and two, I think you guys will enjoy it a little more. But I will show you guys the products both in the video, like pointing to them or whatever, and I'll also put them in the description box below. Anywho, without further ado, because I could talk for forever, I'm sure you guys know, Lego. So I'm starting off with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I kind of apply this everywhere, you guys, just because to me primer is primer, and if I want my foundation and stuff to stay on all day, I for sure want my eye makeup to stay on even longer. And of course, it's time for brows now. So the next thing that I am using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. This is in the color Chocolate, and the brush is a number 12. I use this spoolie side to groom my eyebrows a little bit and then just go in with the pomade. But if you need a more in-depth tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, just let me know. I would be more than happy to film that for you guys. And now I'm just cleaning them up with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. This is an NW40, and I like to use these little paint palettes. I actually got these at the dollar store. I always grab mine at the dollar store. Just cleaning up that brow a little bit. And actually what you're going to see me do in just a second is any extra concealer, I just kind of put that all over my eyelids as well, just to make sure that the colors come through from my eyeshadow the way that I really want them to. And using a brush is all great, but to be honest, your fingers work the best. Alright, now for the fun part. Of course, I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette. It is Valentine's Day, and I'm just going to take the shade Warm Taupe, and I'm going to put that right in my crease to start with and move it upwards. Then I'm going to go in with Love Letter, and I'm going to just try and stay closer to the crease. This is just to build up color, and I just kind of want to get like a depth effect to this. I'm just making sure it's even on both sides. I really want it to be a little bit more pigmented towards the ends than in the middle. So that's why I'm adding just a little bit there and then pushing it in. Then I'm going to go in with Bone Fresco, and I'm just applying that all over my lower lid. I love that. That's probably one of my favorite colors in the palette. It's like a really dusty pink, and it's gorgeous. Now I'm going to go in with Vermeer, and I'm actually going to apply that really to the inner corners, but I want to drag it up a bit. I wouldn't say halfway, but about a third of the way in. Then with Venetian Red, I'm going to go ahead and focus on the outer V of my lower lid. Always make sure that when you think you're done blending, just blend some more. And now I'm going in with my beat up Marc Jacobs eyeliner, and this is in the color Blacker. I'm always singing and dancing, guys. Always. Now these are the only non-high-end things. These are just some Kiss lashes in 05, and I kind of just love them because they're so fun and flirty. And then to tie in the bottom lashes, I'm just going to use this Tarteist mascara. And I love how it gives me so much volume in my bottom lashes. Now this is the KatVonD Lock-It Foundation. This is in the color Deep 74, and I'm just using that little palette again and one of these like paddle brushes to kind of get it all over my face. This part didn't end up recording, but I actually also use a beauty sponge to kind of just make sure that it applies evenly to my face, and I realize it looks a little dark, but it's actually the same color as the darkest shade on my face. I usually start there and work my way because I have different colors on my face. And for contour, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit, but you know what? Hold on. Always fun. So then I'm going in with the color Nude to use as an under eye concealer. I know that this looks really light, but it really brightens up my face. And then for contour, I use the color Chocolate. Again, if you guys want to see how I do my contour and concealer, just let me know. I will be happy to make a video just about that. And then I'm using the Pure Beauty Sponge, and I'm just mixing in the Coverfx illuminating setting spray. That's what I like to wet my beauty blenders with. And then this is the Becca shimmering skin perfector liquid. I like to put that wherever I'm going to put highlight, just as a base. So now I'm just setting everything with the MAC mineralized skin finish, and this is in the color Dark. Then I'm going to go in with a Love Letter and just kind of smoke out the bottom eyeliner just to give it like a more finished polished look. And now with the Pure Bronze and Brighten palette, I'm going to use the pink coral shade. This is called Mineral Glow as my blush, which is gorgeous, and then go in with Afterglow as my highlighter. This is one of my favorite MAC lip glosses. This is the color Saint Germain. And of course, finish it all off with the Coverfx setting spray again. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and go ahead and hit that bell so you're notified next time I post a video. Also, all my social media accounts are down in the description box. Let's connect, let's be friends. Also, don't forget to leave me any comments, questions, concerns, requests, any of that. Go ahead and drop that in the comment box below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, until next time, bye guys.